Firstly, cook the soaked lupini beans in water until tender. In a pan, sauté 2 chopped onions with some oil, then add turmeric and sauté. Next, add the diced lamb meat and sauté. Add black pepper powder and cinnamon stick, and continue to sauté. Then, add 2 cups of boiling water and let it simmer over low heat for 2 hours. Meanwhile, sauté the tomato paste with a little oil, then add the cooked lupini beans and sauté, adding 1/4 cup of brewed saffron. Add this mixture to the center of the cooking meat and let the meat cook completely. In the meantime, rinse the soaked rice in boiling water with salt and drain it. Add rose petals powder, saffron, and salt to the meat mixture and mix well. In a pot, pour some oil and sprinkle saffron and salt, then place a sliced potato ring. Layer the rice and meat mixture alternately, and finally pour half a cup of brewed saffron over the rice. Cover the pot with a lid and let it steam for 45 minutes. Finally, garnish with pistachio slices, barberries, almond slices, and fried potato slices. Enjoy your meal.